Hi guys, welcome to our channel. WhatsApp Messenger, as you all know by its name, it is a popular messenger application by the social media giant Facebook. But there is also another application trending nowadays, which is known as Telegram. There are many good differentiating factors which WhatsApp doesn't allow. So watch this video to end. You will get to know how to use Telegram application step by step and also know their benefits. Firstly, on your Android smartphone, go to the Google Play Store and type in the search tab Telegram. After installing the Telegram application, click on the open button. After clicking on open button, here you will see the interface of Telegram application. Click on start messaging button. Now after clicking on search start messaging button, you will be asked about your phone number to register on Telegram application. Enter your preferred mobile number and click on the right arrow button. Now it will ask about some permissions. Click on allow button to give the permissions to Telegram application. Now they will ask about OTP sent on your phone. OTP will be given to you by the call. Accept the call and hear the OTP. Now enter the OTP and type your first name and last name. In my case, I am writing first name as Pulse and last name as Boutique. After writing your name, click on the arrow button. Your account is now created and you will get a welcome message from the Telegram. Now clicking on the about 3 lines button, you will get the sidebar. Here you can create new groups and new channels. For example, I am creating new groups. Here you can add 2 lakh members at a time. It will ask for your permissions. Let's allow all the permissions they are asking for. And again click on the 3 dots and click on the new channel. Here you will see all the informations about creating a new channel. Now click on the create channel and here you have to write a name of your channel. I am writing for example crazy and in the description type anything you want to type. I am typing here what mentor thinks and click on the right button. Here you have to select public channel or private channel. Now t.me /link, you have to create your permanent link. See which permanent link is available and click on the right button. Here you can add your members from your contacts. As you can see, a new channel is created and you can see your subscribers, administrators, removed users and recent actions here. Now click on the subscribers. Here's a list you will get about your subscribers. So now let's create a new group. So go to the 3 dots and click on new group. Add the contacts of your list. Now you have to enter your group name of your group created by you. I am typing crazy. Now your new group is created. Your groups can have up to 2 lakh members. By clicking on group name, you will see the members list. Here you can remove the member and promote the member to the admin. So guys, you have now understood how to use Telegram. So it's the time to show some benefits about the Telegram. First one is unlimited number of groups. Second one is end-to-end encryption. Third one is no limit on media sharing, which means you can share large files to the Telegram contacts. So that's all for today guys. Thanks for watching this video.